Hello, and welcome to the Detox Your Home program. I'm thrilled that you've decided to join us on this transformative journey. My name is Chris McPhie, and I'm a certified building biologist and electromagnetic radiation specialist. Over the years, I've helped countless families uncover and eliminate hidden toxins in their homes, leading to incredible transformations in their health and their well-being. Sadly, the home is often the last place most individuals or even medical professionals consider when identifying the root cause of illnesses, yet can be a huge source of hidden toxins and harmful chemicals. We spend the majority of our lives within the walls of our homes. They're certainly affecting our health. From the air we breathe, the water we drink, the electronic devices we use, our lighting choices, the chemicals in our products, all of these pose hazards and can lead to various health problems. And the cumulative effects can be staggering, especially for children who are more vulnerable to these toxins. By joining the Detox Your Home program and following the step-by-step process that we've laid out, you can dramatically reduce your exposure to harmful substances and create a much safer and healthier environment for you and your loved ones. This course will help you save time, avoid becoming overwhelmed, and when you're trying to figure things out on your own, it can be challenging. So we've taken this dense information and research and we whittled it down into simple and easy to understand lessons where you can instantly start to use some of this knowledge to create a healthier space for you and your family. And this course isn't just for those already experiencing health issues. Even if you and your family are currently healthy, reducing exposure to harmful substances can help prevent future health problems, and it improves your overall health and happiness. A healthy home environment supports long-term health and vitality for everyone in that home. As a building biologist, I've seen so many incredible success stories that show how transformative the process of detoxing your home can really be. I've worked with people dealing with chronic fatigue, brain fog, debilitating migraines, and after detoxing their homes, they've been able to regain their energy and mental clarity. I've seen people struggling with allergies, asthma, respiratory problems, that once we've cleaned up the air in their homes, they've been able to breathe easy, often for the first time in years. It can be an incredibly rewarding experience to see these effects. But it doesn't stop there. I've seen clients overcome anxiety, hormone issues, chronic pain, digestive problems, all by improving the environment in which they're living in. Many of my clients also report sleeping better, feeling less stressed, and enjoying a greater sense of emotional and mental well-being. So let's dive in and start creating the absolute healthiest home that you and your family deserve. In the next lesson, we'll go over how to approach this course and how to get the most out of it.